Okay. Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class, children. Now, today, in a very nutshell, in a short, I'm going to explain the chapter, children, to you once again. Okay. Let's begin, children. Okay. Now, see, what does the safety first say? That first of all, I had told you to underline. This line is very important. Safety means protecting oneself from getting hurt. ओके अपने आप की अपना प्रिकॉशन लेना ओके एंड इफ वी केयरफुली फॉलो द सेफ्टी रूल्स फिर क्या होगा इफ़ यू फॉलो द सेफ्टी रूल्स केयरफुली देन व्हाट विल हैपन वी कैन सेव आवर सेल्फ एंड दोज ऑल्सो हु आर नियर बाय है ना वी कैन सेव नॉट ओनली आवर सेल्फ वी विल सेव एवरी वन हु आर नेक्स्ट टू अस नाउ व्हाट वी शुड डू एट होम Never talk to the stranger, beta, the person whom you don't know. And if the stranger asks you to open the door, please call the grown up. Next, do not touch the electrical gadgets. Electrical gadgets means here in the picture you see an iron, oven, geyser and toaster, which work the appliances which work on the electricity. ठीक है दे आर कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट्स एग्जाम्पल्स आर अवन गीजर टोस्टर एंड डू नॉट टच ऑल दीज इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेज और गैजेट्स विद द वेट hands. Why, children? We may get a shock. We may get a shock. And moreover, never touch a hot iron. Okay, if mama has got for some work and she has kept the iron, if it's for some urgent work, don't go and touch it, beta. Otherwise, you will burn your hand. Now, do not play with or touch the sharp object like knives, blades, scissors, and tools. Do not touch electric wires and the switches and the matchsticks also. Here it is given. Please do not play with the sharp object or do not touch the sharp object. And if you are using it also, please use it in front of your elders, the grown-up children. Okay. Next now. Do not run down the staircase. Immediately don't run down. Otherwise you may fall down and you may get hurt. Then do not leave your bags, your toys, children, etc. on the floor. Why, children? Because someone may trip over them and they can fall. Even you can fall, children. Stay away from fire. Don't go near the fire. Do not light the matchstick or the gas stove. Is that clear? So do not leave your toys on the floor. Do not touch the hot pans in school. Do not leave your school with a stranger. Okay, if he or she asks you to leave with him or her, you can call your teacher, but please don't go with the strangers. Do not run inside the class or jump over the desks or benches as it can be very dangerous. Okay, the corners of the desk, as I've already explained you all these things, they are sharp, it can hurt you badly. Do not run in the school corridor. Never run up and down the staircase, otherwise you will stumble or you may badly get hurt. Do not rock your chair. as a chair के ऊपर बैठ के से rocking नहीं करना बेटा, otherwise you will lose your balance and you may fall. Do not push others while coming out or going in the classroom. Okay, and if you get hurt or ill, please go to the sick room. You know, sick bay and the sick room we are having in the school, children. Yes, where you have a nurse and she gives you the first aid. Then on the road, what you should do? You should only walk on the footpath, not in the middle of the road, beta. Never cross or play on the road. Always cross at the road at the zebra crossing with the grown-up. To cross the road, first look to your right, then left, then again right again. And if both the sides are clear, then only you should cross the road. Next, stand in a line while getting in or getting onto the bus or when you're getting off the bus. And please, you come down or you board down the bus only after it has stopped completely. When it is moving, don't try to get down. Otherwise, you may fall and you may get hurt badly, children. And always cross the road at zebra crossing. Next, if you're sitting in a car, sit on the back seat, children, and please wear the seat belt. Okay, and when you sit inside the car or the bus, do not stick your hands out of the window and do not disturb the driver. Okay, we should always put the seat belt. Okay, and why we should always walk on the footpath, not in the middle of the road, children? Otherwise, we can meet with an accident. Okay, and this picture is very important. We should always stand behind. You should always stand, never stand in front of the swing. When somebody is swinging, you stand aside. बाजू में खड़े रहना चाहिए. Always stand, at the side when somebody is swinging, when the swing is moving, somebody is there. Okay, in the playground, we should play only in the park or on the playground. We should not go near any water bodies or road में नहीं जाना बेटा. Or if you find a swimming pool, don't go alone बेटा. Do not stand on the swing or the slides. Do not stand in front of them also. सामने भी नहीं खड़े रहना. Always wait for your turn. आप अपने turn के लिए wait करना. Always get home before the dark. अंधेरे के पहले घर आना चाहिए. Next, if you are out, what you should do? You should stay close to your parents, okay, or your grown up who is with you. उनके साथ ही रहना, अकेले नहीं रहना. Do not go to the crowded place alone. If it is a crowded place, too many people are there, don't go alone. If you are lost, you ask the policeman or security guard. If you get lost, ask the security man or the policeman to help you, children. Okay? Do not touch anything that do not belong to you. कोई भी चीज़ को हाथ नहीं लगाना. Now we'll talk about, this is the first aid box beta. The first aid box has a medicine, bandage, tools which can help someone who is hurt beta. Okay, and what is the first aid box? It is, where do you find them? It is kept at the home or in the school. Okay, if you or someone gets hurt, you can call a grown up. They can give you the first aid and they can call a doctor. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now you and your friend, for example, you and your friend were playing in the playground when suddenly your friend fell from the swing and got hurt. Okay, so what can you do at this time? Yes, else you call some grown up. Okay, you call the because if you're in a park, that means that your parents are nearby only. Please call the person whom you know, call his or her parent, or you can call your parent to help you out, and you can take the child home, children. Okay, now let us do the back exercise, children. Get ready with your book, beta. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash means protecting ourselves from getting hurt. The first one is safety definition. What is safety? Safety means protecting ourselves from getting hurt. Safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety, write down. Number 2, we should never talk to stranger. Stranger, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. Next, we should always cross the road at zebra crossing. Where, children? Zebra crossing. Okay, we should play in a dash or a dash, either on the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, or on the playground. Playground. Okay, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, P-L-A-Y, play, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Okay, or park you can add. If you don't want to write playground, so both are playground. I'll change this, sorry children. 1 minute. Ground I've already written. You can write park. Yes. Next, we should not go to dash place alone. We should not go to crowded place alone. Just now I read for you, crowded. C-R-O-W-D-E-D, crowded. Crowded place alone. Okay. Next we'll do true and false. Okay, number 1, it's already there. True and false, better. Let us begin. We should not follow safety rules at home. He's saying we should not follow safety rules. It's false. We should follow safety rules, better. Even if you are at home, we should follow safety rules. Number 2, we can play with knives and blades. No, false. Next, we should not run in the school corridor. Yes, absolutely correct. Next, standing on the swing is safe. No, absolutely not. It's not safe, beta. If you stand on the swing, you may get hurt. Next, if we get hurt, we should call a grown up. Absolutely correct. किसी बड़े को बुलाना चाहिए. Now we'll do the next one. That is match the following. Yes, match the column A with B. Number 1, we should not touch electrical gadgets. Otherwise, what will happen? And with what we should not touch? Yes, we should not touch when our hands are wet. With wet hands. Next, we should not leave school with the stranger. Next, we should walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Next, while traveling, we should not disturb the driver. This is the safety rule. Next, we should not play near water bodies. Swimming pool या river के पास में नहीं खेलना चाहिए. है ना, it is dangerous children. Okay beta? Yes. Now this is a question answer PDF. We are sending the safety first. I am reading the question for you. Question 1. Name the following beta. A. Electrical gadgets found at home. Which are the electrical gadgets which are found at home? Oven, geyser, toaster, sharp objects found. Now A1. Okay, now this is A1. Electrical gadgets found at home are oven, geyser and toaster. B. What are the sharp objects which are found at home? Knife, okay, plates and scissor. ठीक है बेटा, knives, blades and scissor. Next, how will you cross the road if there is no zebra crossing? In Nagpur you must have seen there are no zebra crossing. आप कैसे cross करेंगे? If there is no zebra crossing, first look to your right, then left, then right again. If both sides are clear, only then cross the road. This is an important answer. Okay children? Yes. Next, give one word. Give one word for means only one word answer. A long narrow path inside a building with rooms on each side of it. Like this it is. And here you will find flats on both the side. What is this called as? Corridor. As you have in the school. Next, the belt worn when you are seated in a moving car. In a moving car which you put the seat belt, what it is called as? Seat belt. ठीक है बेटा? Please complete all the question answer. That's all children. Only 3 question answers are there, not much. And please read the chapter thoroughly. Many things can come. Now I would like to go back. I want to go back and I want you to, yes, this definition of safety beta. ये tick mark star mark करो. What is safety may come. So safety means protecting ourselves from getting hurt. This is the one you have to learn. Okay, and 2 safety at home 2 points, safety on road 2 points, safety when you are on the playground 2 points, safety when you are in the school 2 point, and safety rules when you are going outside. 2 points अच्छे से learn करके रखना. Remember 2 points can come in the exam. Okay beta, so that's all for today beta. See, this is all I have explained. ठीक है, we have done the back exercises also. ठीक है, this one please complete this beta, and then at the end we have 3 question answer, 1, 2 and 3. That's all for today. Thank you children. God bless you.